Yes, please.
Assalamualaikum,
Waalaikum.
Sheikh Saab. My name is Asad,
Yeah.
and I have a question related to Anam 123, where we are saying Allah is saying that we have made big people criminals to plan in it. Now we work for organizations where the big people who created the organization and they have their code of ethics, and there are policies, harassment policies, which does not align with what Allah is saying. I'll give you examples that we cannot say anything about different like homosexuality, or if somebody is following LGBTQ community. If we talk to them and try to tell them this is not right, that will be um, considered harassment
To
in my
them.
company. Yes.
And they're harassing me,
Well,
coming right on my face.
this is what the company says,
No,
that you
but
cannot say
vice
anything.
versa, right? They don't harass me also because I'm normal. So if they harass me, then I'll catch him.
Yes, they respect my religion,
So,
and I
no,
have to
I'm not talking
respect.
about religion. It is nothing to do with religion. Homosexuality is nothing to do with religion. Homosexuality is wrong. Lesbianism is wrong.
So my question is,
Yeah.
if we are following the policy of the company, are we supporting these big people
No,
who are doing wrong?
that the lady that question, I told you, you can join any company, anything, but you should not get involved in that. You are doing a job, and the policy of the company is to tell lies. So you tell lies, right? But well, no, hold on. But about yourself in life, you don't lie. But you're doing the because you're following the policy of the company. So that Allah will not catch you, but He will catch you what Allah says to you to do, and you don't do it. But follow what I'm saying?
Yes,
If
I.
the policies are wrong and you are a part of it, that doesn't mean because you're living in this country. So it's all right. Like you accept gayism, you accept lesbianism, you can't go against it. So even Lut al-Islam say, I can't help you.
But
Destruction.
even if we try to tell them that
Who?
this is something, so say if somebody is
You're talking about
Islam,
homosexuality again.
yes.
Why?
So
Why?
I'm
Okay.
just giving an example. It's
Okay.
not something.
You, if there is a homosexual couple, I would like to talk to you because you are not representing them. You are outsider and talking about them. It's like passing the buck. You bring gentlemen who's homosexual, two homosexuals or two lesbians. I want to talk to them if they want to. But why we should represent? Because if I'm answering you, you won't get there. But I want to talk to how they think. How, it has to come from them. You see, it's very easy that you are intelligent guy and you say I'm not learned and I'm asking. I'm not blaming you for this, but why are you representing them? I want them to represent themselves, and I will ask them, "Okay, how do you say that this is right and how their mind works? So I want to know their psyche because you are not one of them. You are just seen in here and you are accepting because the culture is accepting and these criminals are making them marry also. They can marry them, marry lesbians, but you can't marry two second wife, right? Very legal, very if that is normal, and nobody will take it an offense. Believe me, if you have got two wives in Canada or three wives or any part of the world, nobody will take a thing like a dirty thing. But once you say lesbianism and homosexuality, I can't understand how it is normal.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. With this, we conclude today's event. And, Jazakallah. Thank you for coming.